Hello, I welcome you to lesson 7 of our graphic design training. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to apply strokes to our shapes. So we are going to use the layer style icon or the layer style option to apply stroke. We have another way of applying stroke. We'll deal with that after this. Now let's tackle the effects. So you click on select, make sure the layer is selected. The layer you want to apply the stroke is selected. Then you click on effects and click on stroke. You see the stroke here, click on stroke, then stroke will come. Now you have the size of the stroke. So this is 3. Let's increase it to 5. Let me say 5. 5. It's okay. It's okay. Now let's change the color. So I've increased to 5. Let's change the color. This is the color we are applying to the 5-sided polygon. So let's change the color. Okay, let's change the color. Let's use red. Let's use red. Then you click OK. Then OK. So the red is there, but because the size is too small, you find it difficult to see. So let's increase the size. Okay, let's increase the size to let's say 30. 30, yes, 30 will be okay. Now you have our stroke. Now let's continue. Let's select the rectangle effects, then stroke. Now let's increase the size to 30. Then the color, let's change the color to, let's say, blue. Then you pick blue. You select the blue. Then okay, you see it has been applied. Now let's tackle the other option of applying stroke. With this one, if you select the layer that you want to apply stroke, you want to apply stroke to the circle. Now if you don't want to use the FX format or the FX way, you are going to use the shape way. So let's use this one. You select the layer or the shape you want to apply the stroke, and you come and select the shape tool. Make sure your shape tool is selected. Then you come to the top side here. You have stroke. You click on the white area there, and the stroke. These are the colors of the stroke. So which color do you want? Okay, I want this violet color. I'll select the violet color. Now the 3, you see that there's 3 pt here. That is the size of the stroke. So you can increase it. So if you want to increase it, you click on the drop down arrow, then you increase it. You see, now we have about 13.72. you see the size is okay. But anytime you are dealing with stroke, don't make your stroke too big or too small. It should be moderate. So this is another way of applying stroke to our shapes. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials.